Hello, so let's continue our work on test 1. So we're moving on to question number 6. Question number 6 says, a child standing on a bridge throws a rock straight down. The rock leaves the child's hand at time equals 0. Which of the graph represents the velocity of the stone as a function of time? Okay, so to do this, don't even look at the graphs, right? Just do your own graph. So construct your own graph. The child is saying, the question states that the child throws the rock at time 0. So there's no force, there's no acceleration, there's no velocity, there's nothing, just constant acceleration through gravity, which is 9.8. So if we do that, constant velocity will look something like this, straight down like that. It'll keep going down, 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 because of the gravity. If we look at our options and see which graph represents what we have drawn, we could see that letter B is the answer to this question.